I've tested many crypto cards over the past few months, and honestly, most of them are just glorified prepaid card from centralized exchanges. But this one is fundamentally different. It might just be the first true Web3 spending card that I've ever used. No fees and 10% cashback for every transaction you make. And there are so many more cool bonuses and features that will make your crypto and money work for you. DeFi finally meets the real world, and I'm super excited to show you how it works. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm using this card for over a week now, and I had to share it with you because this is just the best crypto card or any debit card that I've ever used. That's why I created this video, and this is called ether.finance. Before you head over to the website, watch this video till the end because there are many benefits that you want to learn about while watching this video before actually applying and opening an account. So the way it works is that you have an on-chain deployed smart contract that you can deposit crypto into in many forms. It could be Ether, it could be stablecoins like USDC, and so on. Then you get this debit card which you can use online or add to your Google and Apple and spend your crypto in day-to-day life transactions. If you already tried some other crypto cards, you'll probably know that they charge fees for getting the card, sometimes even virtual card, and also sometimes they charge fee for every transaction you make. Now with EtherFi, you don't have fees. You get a card for free, and also in transactions, when you pay in US dollars, you're charged one stablecoin exactly with zero fees. Of course, if you use foreign exchange like euros, you have a small fee. In my experience, it's between 1 to 1.5% on the conversion rate. But that's not a big deal because for every transaction, you get 10% cashback, and I will show you exactly how. If you want to check it out and grab that cashback, I've put my invite link in the description below. Using my link to apply gives you extra bonuses and also really helps to support the channel and the content that you watch. Now let's see how you can get 10% cash back. Did you know that you are losing money on every single swap you make? It's not just about gas fees, it's also slippage and inefficient routing. When you're using a single DEX, you're getting their price, not the best price. An aggregator scans multiple DEXs to fix this, but not all of them work the same. Some of them promote a good price on the UI, but when the actual swap happens on-chain, you get a worse price. This is why after testing so many aggregators, I decided to use only Matcha aggregator for my personal trades. They go a step further and they use a professional RFQ system to get the best prices for the users from professional market makers. And the price that you see in the UI is exactly the price that you get in the swap. I tried it myself and it constantly finds better prices than other DEXs and other aggregators. A huge thank you to Matcha for sponsoring this video. Use the link in the description to try it out. So the first cashback that you get on every single transaction is 3%. So here you can see that I spent $25 and I got 0.75 cents cashback. This is exactly 3%. Now you get this cashback in form of scroll tokens, but they are liquid and you can right away, if you want, to swap them both through the EtherFi application or withdraw them to your crypto wallet and swap them for stablecoins, for more USDC, and then you can reuse this USDC for more purchases. So right away, you get 3% cashback for every single purchase. But how did we get to 10? Let's see. So currently EtherFi running a promotion campaign for 41 more days. So go ahead and sign up right now where you get extra fees and extra cashback. They incentivize you to become a member and add liquid funds to your vault. We'll explore in a second what it means liquid funds, another huge advantage and huge bonus when it comes to using EtherFi. And you can see that I got 4.9 extra EtherFi money and earnings just because I applied and I did these two prerequisites. And also you get another extra 3% cashback for every purchase that you do in form of EtherFi tokens. Now, this is not right away liquid, but only when the campaign ends, you will get this 3%. If we check the price at CoinGecko, we can see that one token equals approximately $1. So we can just generalize it and say that I got extra $11 cashback on top of the 3% that I already got. So we are already at 6% cashback. So we are at 6% cashback for everything that you do, every transaction that you make with the card, but that's not it, because once you reach your first $1,000, you're gonna get extra 50 USDC back, which is an extra 5% cashback. So it's actually 11% cashback for every transaction that you make using this card.
By the way, you will only get this extra $50 cashback if you use my special link in the description below.
This is incredible because 1, you use crypto in real life, 2, you don't have any fees, and 3, you get 11% discount for every transaction that you make. Now bear in mind that this cashback might not be forever. I assume that in the future, EtherFi will reduce this amount. They're doing it to lure in more users and increase their user base, which makes sense. So go ahead, use my link to apply and take advantage of this campaign because this is definitely incredible and I use it every single day. But that's not it. They have another super cool thing that is called Liquid USD. You can choose to convert your USDC to Liquid USD, which essentially means that while your USD is sitting in your wallet, before you spend it, you earn 8.7, almost 9% APY on your stablecoins. And this is where they blew my mind. To give so many benefits to their users, including cashback and double yield of the banks that banks are usually giving you while the money is not liquid and you cannot use it. So here the money is both liquid, working for you until you use it, and you get this amazing cashback. This is, for me, how DeFi meets the real world and how DeFi might get mass adoption one day. And on top of that, you can also deposit ETH and get 7+% on your ETH, which is incredible. And they have this feature that I don't really use, but you can use the borrow mode, which essentially means that if you want to get yield on your ETH and you don't want to sell it, but you still want to use it as collateral for spending and spend US dollars, you can deposit ETH, enable here borrow mode, and then it will essentially create some kind of credit line where it borrows stablecoins based on your ETH collateral. So you don't have to sell your ETH, you can enjoy the yield and still spend US dollars in real life. I'm just obsessed with this card and with this product. This is really top notch. This is next level product. And I truly believe that this is how we can bring mass adoption of DeFi. So definitely try to apply with my invite link, get your card and start enjoying those cashbacks today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. And if you enjoy this content, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials in the future. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.